Hey, good morning. It's Matt here at 911R Avant-Garde. I wanted to go and do this quick little walk around video on this 89 Speedster. It's ending in a couple hours. And I just want to kind of talk about it and do some up close stuff, walking around the car to see the quality of the car. This car is a linen metallic, which is very rare, and I would assume probably one of the rarest of all the Speedsters. I don't think I've ever seen another one. I've sold probably 30 of these cars, 35 of them. Owned a red one myself, and they were always been one of my favorite cars. You get the M491 turbo wide body, you get the turbo brakes, the big wheels and tires, and all the stuff that M491 option would have. But you get the cool Speedster windshield and top, the cut down profile. This is all going back to the 356 Speedsters in that look, and it was kind of built as a lightweight, high performance model and very unique. I'd say the 89 Speedster is one of the first really speculated cars. When I started selling cars for the Tonkins, around Gran Turismo back in the day, we had 12 of these cars. They bought them all up, and we sold them I sold them every from Jerry Seinfeld to just lots of other people, and they always were one of my favorite cars. But this example is 3,000 miles, 3,100 miles on it, and it's just in pristine condition. You can see on the inside, the seats, the steering wheel, just everything doesn't have any wear on it. Look down at the pedal pads on the pedals. Just everything's super, super clean, pristine. The top is beautiful. A lot of these tops would get dry rot and stuff in the stitching and stuff. This one doesn't have any of that. The rear window is very nice. The arches, the flares, the wheels. It's got current tires on it as well. Let's come around to the back. Engine bay up on it. You can just see it just looks exactly how it came from the factory. If you look at the underside photos, we left all the cosmoline on this one because it's got that really nice kind of golden brownish glow to the cosmoline. And, that just shows it's a car. It has been on the road. Cosmoline attracts dirt and gets black. That's a lot of times why we'll remove it and clean it up, make all the underside look so pristine. But this car is just, the cosmoline just really shows the character of the car and the mileage and the condition. Walking around, you can see the paint is all just beautiful, looks really nice and shiny, very uniform. The door jambs, all the stickers are on this car for under the hood. I'm not sorry, not under the hood, but in the door jambs. We have the original window sticker for the car as well. Just everything about it's got the nice Porsche door close. But walking around again, you can see just the rest of the car is just beautiful and just like they should be, in a very unique and rare color. I think that should really make a difference on this car. Any questions, please use the contact seller button and I'll get right back to you. If you need a shipping quote, I'm happy to work on that. Or if you're interested in having 911R sell a car for you, let me know. Thank you very much. Good luck.